Hello, it's today's the 31st. Today's the last day for 2025, and it's Weather Wednesday today. We have snow coming down, like lots of snow on the floor. Got lots of snow here. Weather Wednesday today. So we have a vehicle that's called ash green. So we have all those features. You can start up this vehicle. It's gonna start. I think I like this color, right? So this vehicle has heated windshield, so that's gonna melt, so you don't have to scrape it. I will pull this vehicle out so you can see it, and we have some features that you can allow. You know, while it's snowing, all-wheel drive, we can test it. We probably won't lose. We won't miss no grips and all that stuff. We won't lose control. So I show you. I'm gonna pull forward for you while it's snowing. So ash green. There's two-tone interior on this vehicle. So we do have like beige and black interior on this vehicle here. One thing you might love about this vehicle, it does have a trailer hitch ready for the spring, for the summer. If you want to throw something, it's right there with the 7-pin connector, so you don't have to get off of the braking. I'm gonna open it, okay? So let me just open it for you. You have a dog, you have a pet, this is perfect. It's frozen. So we have a cage with a dog barrier, so the dog wouldn't go jumping on the front. We have the cargo tray, so there's no mud on your carpet. This is a good feature for your outdoor adventure that's coming up in the near future. This is a cool color, so if you like outdoor, you are in the trees out there, it's gonna blend you, nobody will see you there. The TrailSport Elite Honda Passport. So hopefully today you had a great day. Today is the last day. It's New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2025. Happy New Year. We'll see you next year. So long.